can find link file all the projects find link file all the
So you should be able to hear me now. You should be able to hear me now. I wasn't talking that whole time. Just know that I was talking about this. I was talking about this neural design I was making, how it holds a plug and how it's currently held on with blue sticky tack, and that doesn't actually hold at all. I also said make sure to check out the printables. We got a lot of designs on there right now. 22 different designs, including the John Mudd meme cube. Now, John Mudd, if you are watching, this is what I made for you. This is what I made for you. This is crazy. This has gone too far. Let me just check to double check that we are actually.
projects using
Oh, sounds like that was working. Oh, give me a sec. Here we go. That we are actually.
projects using
Okay. Nice. It's actually working. Okay, so what we're doing is we are taking these files here. This is the Circuit Python here. And we are taking a few specific files and moving them to this libraries folder. So,
CircuitPython 8, we need to download the lib folder in the CircuitPy drive, just like this.
okay. So what we want to do is we want to move the Adafruit. Where is this? Here we go. We want to move 4 folders to this folder here. The first one is the Adafruit display. So we want to move this display IO. That's for the board. We want to also do display shapes, display text, and one more thing, bitmap. Awesome. Bitmap font. Okay.
Additionally, we also need a font file. In the CircuitPy drive, we create a new folder and we give it the name font.
In the CircuitPy drive. New font.
Inside the fonts folder, we copy the terminal font file. Your CircuitPy drive should now.
The terminal font file. I don't actually know if that's in here. Did I really close that out? Oh well. We'll search it up, see if it's in here. If it's not, oh well. Color terminal. Okay, then I know where it's at. It's in one of my other downloads. Fonts terminal. Here we go. Copy that into there. There we go.
Now look like this. We have a code.py file with the script to run on the board terminal font file. Your CircuitPy drive should now look like this. We have a code.py file with the script to run on the board, a fonts folder with the font file, and a lib folder with all the libraries required. You can find links to all the files needed in the video description. The first example program is a simple project which just displays a wireframe and a hello world text. I am using Thorny as my editor. As you can see, the code
Is this the example code? Print hello world. Yeah, I didn't think that would
also supports the LilyGo ESP32S2 board or any other board that can run CircuitPython if you define the correct I2C pins here. The second example is a simple version of a Pong game where the CPU is controlling both paddles. The project consists of 3 files and you have to copy all of them in the.
Okay. So we're gonna actually do this. We're gonna open up the downloads, the CircuitPython Pong. Let's see if this actually works. Ball. Line 9. Paddle, import paddle, ball. You're really making me save all this wacky Put it in one file, bro. Okay. So we need to save this. Save as CircuitPython. Save. Oh my god. Library. Okay. Yep. I need to select a file. So we're going to stop this. We're going to run it. Cool. We're going to file. Save as CircuitPython. File name. I think actually what I can do is just drag these in here instead of doing all this nonsense. So the libraries, we're going to throw paddle, and we're going to throw ball. Line 32 has no attribute SDA. And this is where you go to Claude and say, I have this error. I am also using the RP2040 0 and have the I2C connection on pins 0 and 1. Here is the error. You go back to Tawny. Boom. Now, be it as it may, this is like really fast. Doesn't have default board. Rewrite the code for me. Submit to the AI. Submit to the AI overlord. God, this is crazy. I just want to get this board working so that I can like actually do something here. Because basically the plan is to create a custom GUI that displays. This is so much. Okay, so let's copy. Go back to Tawny. Oh man. File new. $35. I got this error. Let's watch
The
this.
CircuitPy drive some games with it. Very project that is not instantly. The project updates the temperature every second. Kernel font in this project. The embedded font in CircuitPython does not include it. The project updates the temperature every second. Temperature set. All of them version any other IM here. The first example program is a simple project with the libraries required. You can find them and a hello world text. I am using Thorny as my editor. As you can see.
Let's see if we can get some of this in here. Oh. I am using the library's Adafruit bitmap font, display, shapes, display, text, and oops. Um, let's see if we got. May as well throw this error in there too. Yeah, this is kind of what the process is these days, I feel, because I'm not very good. It's a little embarrassing, not gonna lie. Oh. SDA should be connected to GP0. Okay. And SCL should be connected to... I mean, yeah, that's right. Run this and let me know what it outputs. It's telling me what to do. Jesus Christ. We are being controlled. File. New. Check wiring. What? Am I crazy? SDA should be connected to GP0. Okay. Holy crap, I'm an idiot. Oh my god. Yeah, I wasn't even powering the thing. So what I did was, this is kind of stupid of me. So I actually took the board here. God, this is insane. Ugh, can't believe this. So I took the board here as I moved it over one pin. And when I did that, believe it or not, I actually didn't connect the power and ground back up. So actually the 5 volts was on the ground and the ground wasn't connected to anything. So we're gonna have to move these freaking wires out. God. There we go. Let me get that on the ground. Okay. Yeah, so that's just me being dumb. That's just me being dumb. And now that's on pin 27, which is fine. So. Oh, Zach, you moved the whole freaking board, and now it doesn't work. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. This should work now. Okay. Now, let's see if I'm crazy. And Oh my God. Okay. Okay. With this code, I got this error. Please just get me to the point where I can like do something with this. Let's see. Yeah, so apparently Gemini is like really like a lot better at coding. That should fix it. Are you serious? There, my God. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There it is. You see that? There's a little Pong game on this screen. Oh my God. Okay. Sick. That is sick. Now what do we want to do? Oh, yes. I also wanted this button. Oh, okay. So basically what I have to implement is this is the circuit that I'm going for. There's a lot of stuff in here, and there's also this. Plus 5 volts. Should be connected to the 3.3 volts. And then also this is... All these are GPIO. Okay. So... The 3 volt... Oh god. I'm getting a call from Hayden. Yo, what's up? Are you at the door? Yeah. drinking a little.
You've been drinking?
Nothing much. Oh, I got something for you.
Oh. True that I love Carla.
It's a mystery box.
Collectible.
This is collectible, bro.
Have
You can
opened
open
any?
the trash one.
Oh,
Yeah, I've opened it. Which one do you get?
I forgot. His name.
I don't even know. I gotta give you more. I don't know.
Might have to borrow your SpongeBob watch for the
Did
weekend.
you need it?
Just rip the
You can
Bob
borrow
watch.
any of these. Well, look at. I have this one.
Oh, Tun 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 so hard.
Did you actually?
You want him?
Yeah. At least for you. You want the Jason watch?
Summit League Champions?
Yeah.
That's kind of sick.
2016.
I might need to borrow it.
It might not.
Let me see. Jesus Christ, trying to get shot?
The water gun.
The water gun?
I don't steal my stuff.
You need to borrow him? Hmm.
It looks good.
You want to compare this to a real one of these? Hey,
Um,
they start making them like this.
The blocks?
Yeah, they block since there was switch ban in California, and they're trying to find block liable for people dying to blocks because apparently they're too easy to make machine guns.
It's my dad's time. I was
Trying.
trying to
Yeah,
This is a nice one.
yeah. I didn't make sure it's something silver, so it matches up the suit color.
Well,
I'm not gonna steal your watches.
I think you have only one twist.
I don't even know if that fits me.
Well, it doesn't actually even work. It's
That's-
battery set.
I don't think it fit.
That is as old as, well, actually younger than, but not that much.
But what's the?
Yeah, it's. You can
So-
also borrow this one.
No.
It doesn't fit.
I'm just gonna get this fixed. I'm not as much of a watch freak, so I don't really.
I'm not really used to
I didn't realize when it died because I went hunting for a week
Oh.
and then I came back and I put it on and it was just dead sitting. Well, I know when it died though. When it died.
Spent like an hour earlier lubing this picture up.
Ooh. Your room started to look like my room.
Yeah,
No fucking room to move.
it's mostly this table, but
No,
I put stuff on it.
you got the big ass system.
Little critter, little pigman.
What you been up to?
What have I been up to?
Ready for break?
Yeah, well, I've been getting this to work. So there's a little Pong game on there. I didn't program that,
Yeah.
but someone else did. But once I have this is going to be my screen for my battery pack, and then I'm going to be able to program it and get a lot of stuff done, which will.
When we do the, you don't have loose wires. Nice.
I don't like that.
You have your good friend Chat.
Mm-hmm. This is actually Claude, which is a bit better.
Yeah, use DeepSeek, man.
DeepSeek is not that good. I mean, it depends.
Poor DeepSeek wanted it was Chinese shit to steal all our information. Now all it gets is made. Can you make me a Pong game? Can you help me with homework?
You know, it's actually good at like
rifling through big text documents.
Oh yeah, that's what I use it for.
Yeah, but like other things, it's
I give it a 600-page spec book, and I go, A B C.
I know you want to search for this.
I know you want to look for it, even though I know exactly where it is. I just don't want to go look for it. I wish I could go, okay, in subsection 22, section 3, or subsection 22, flushable light or fixtures, and then go to the product, the part 3, which is products. Tell me what toilets they have here.
So that place you started there,
I
or
haven't
haven't started, but offered.
Well,
Didn't think we could offer, but that's what you said.
no, it was weird. Like they did like the final thing. That's like the, hey, I got 2 questions for you. What's your desired starting salary, and when can you start? And that sounds pretty fucking close to an offer.
Yeah, when can you start? Is
But like, when are you able to start? And then apparently in the fucking 3 interviews I've done and the 3 things I wrote, they couldn't pick up the part where I said I'm still in school. I can work part-time though. And they go, oh, when can you start full-time? I'm like, well, pointed out multiple times in every interview I had. We talked about working part-time to start until I finish my degree and then come on full-time. And she goes, oh, okay, I'll have to talk to him. I'll have to talk to the one guy about it. And then Cody applied for the same place, and they were like not responding to him very quickly. And as soon as that happened, he's like, okay, let's set up an interview. So I think it might be like
well, it sounds like even if he graduates, he's probably applied.
yeah. But it's like they're looking for stuff right now. Yeah, someone in January. But I was like, I pointed out in pretty much every single text I've sent them, hey, I don't graduate until May 16th. May 16th is when I graduate. Now I can work because I'm taking 12 credits next semester, like 30 hours a week. But whatever.
Well,
Worst comes worst, I don't get it, and I go, okay, I have a whole nother semester to find a job.
Oh yeah. I mean, yeah, you have to.
That's
Isn't your last semester probably chill or no?
it is relative. Yeah, I'm taking 12 credits, and then 3 of them are an online class and alcohol.
I usually don't drink.
Throw it away.
That Absolute Ribbon is that's
You a PBR guy?
they're actually pretty good, but
I drink them when I'm shit faced and they're cheap.
they're actually not bad. This one is like 2 years, and it's 7 months.
It's aged.
It's not really good.
But I think the last time I drank a PBR, I was in a club in New York City, and they were $5 a can.
Oh man.
And my buddy got a vodka Red Bull in the club, and it was $19. And I said,
I'm sure you've seen it.
I'm used to picking it up and playing it for one. So I grabbed this one, like, prepared to throw in my bag, and it was like, oh, fuck.
Is that the only box out there?
Yeah.
I'm waiting on another box. Whatever it will be here. I really appreciate bringing it to Phil.
They're kind of just in the way there.
What was the last thing you threw out?
It's like a 4-pack or something.
Well, oh yeah.
Last
Well, this
Saturday.
one's
And
from
then
my family.
I know, I just kind of stuck it by your door because I'm like, it's just sitting out in the hallway, in the front entryway, for anyone that walks by.
It was 4 kilograms.
Yeah, I know. I felt it. I think the look.
know, I think
Like I fucking no, it's so annoying. I fucking because they reach out, they miss like 3 bids in a row, and they go, "That's not normal. We normally get all of them."
yeah.
And he reached out and he goes, "Hey, what's up here?" I go, "Well, what's happened in these last few? What am I getting beat on?" And I go, "Well, since you're such a great vendor and you're always really good at getting back to me, I'm gonna explain to you what you've been being beat at." And it's not like them getting beat by $100 because we picked them over anyone else for $100.
Mm-hmm.
But it's like you guys got beat on this, and this thing. If you can find better prices than that, sure. And I'll tell you how much you've missed your bid by. I don't even got a fucking hat. This guy calls and harasses me. Doesn't fucking bring me a hat.
Well,
Fucking Travis. I'm gonna fight him. I'm joking.
you can find.
He brought my boss a fucking thing of balls. I don't get a fucking hat.
I don't even know what to tell you,
I
Brad.
should have bothered him. I should have give me a fucking hat, man.
You should have. You should have.
I should have walked in there and go, "Where's my swag, man? I've bought so much shit from you guys." I'm an intern, but I was the intern deciding if you guys got the fucking bid or not.
That they give you a lot of power.
But it was me sending out like like what we needed from them, and then they sent us back our estimate, and then I compared all the estimates we got.
Yeah.
Printed them out, and I go, "This one's the best. I like Travis." It's like this. They technically beat him by like $40, but these guys we have no problem.
You got big then.
Huh? What is that? Plants. Oh wait.
Oh, the puzzle.
No, the plant. Big piece of paper.
Oh.
I should dress like a stick class tomorrow.
You should. One of the Strong Towns guys wears like 1930s, 40s like suits.
That tracks.
And oh my god, I'm kind of from Strong Towns.
Why is that?
Like I believe in the ideology, but
They're getting a little too crazy.
yeah, well, like at the last meeting, oh my god, one of them was like,
Good.
also this is what our machine. Well, one of them, but stuff like that.
What's in here?
I think it's just water. It's supposed to make this
After your what was that for? Actual work?
that's for our machine. Yeah, that's like our machines. I
That's
just
what
stole
you
one. It's a test one.
do. I've stole so much shit from work.
Why not?
Well,
I still their time. Too.
I steal fucking stupid little shit. Like I have a 2-inch by 2-inch cube grout.
Yeah.
That's sick. I broke it, and it would have been thrown right in the garbage. I'm like, this is cool. I want this.
A grout thing.
A piece of grout.
Oh,
Something like that. It's on my desk.
but it's a cube.
It's a 2x2 cube. It's used for testing grout. I use this a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, this is how bored I got. Working for the DOT my first year. I counted cards. I did it for 3 hours one day.
You get up to 10,000.
We're on a back road. I think I maxed out at like 700. It was 3 hours. Well, it wasn't a back road, but it was highway 2. Going. And it was 9 a.m. to noon.
That sucks.
I hate telling people I work for the DOT. They ask me what road they built, and they live here, and they go, "That road's shitty." I'm like, I wouldn't want to control them. You print this?
I did. Do you want it?
I only got one watch. So no,
Give you room to expand.
I don't have the money to buy another watch. You know how crazy watch stuff is? It's like I'm hanging out with one of my brother's vendors. Like when we're in Minot. He goes, "Oh, nice watch. What do you have there?" I'm like, "Oh, it's a Fossil." He goes, "That's a really nice watch." He shows me his watch. And I'm like, "Oh, what's in it for?" He goes, "Oh, it's an Omega." And I don't know what the fuck it was. It was some watch. I go, "Oh, nice." And he goes, "Yeah, no, I didn't want to wear my nice watches. That's why I wear this one." I'm like, "Oh, that
Okay,
watch is
bro.
so much no." He's got $25,000.
Oh my god.
Well, this is what happens when you get 3% commission on mechanical contractors. So that 3% goes straight to him. He makes nothing, but that 3%. But 3% of my brother last year spent 40 million with him.
Yeah, 3%. That's like $1 million.
Well, 3%
That's
for his entire team
yeah.
solution, but he gets like 1.7 up to 3.
6.7.
No. And I'm like, oh, nice. How much? That's a nice watch. How much was it? And he goes, $7,000. I go, you're wearing a Dolphin?
That's just like ridiculous. I mean, if you can afford it, reasons go. It's good.
He's also, he's in those dick measuring circles where it's like you ever see the one scene out of no,
Strokey shit.
the Patrick Bateman's scene where it's like oh, Pontero has a nice business card. They do that with watches.
I don't remember that.
I don't either. I just remember seeing a clip of it. It's like,
So I don't have any actual tape, so I'm using Kapton tape.
you need tape.
It should work.
I have duct tape.
Kapton tape.
Why wasn't you taping it?
Because I thought that was a box in a box. But this Kapton tape is electrically isolated.
Mm-hmm.
If you didn't know, now you do.
You know.
And
it
will be to isolate like that.
You wanna see some dumb shit that we're doing in class that you probably think is super easy?
Circuit analysis.
Oh no, I don't think that's it.
Ohm's law.
Please.
Oh my god. It's literally just Ohm's law.
Yeah.
I have to look at this real quick. Circuits in the protocol so if one is the
Well, one would be multiple folds with all the same.
Oh, you're
and you
filling
can
out
find your
all these
average.
tables.
Yeah, you're filling out the entire. That's just that's what you got. 120, and then you just take that times that. It's easy shit.
Yeah.
I'm just sitting here and like looking at this.
Three also.
Three. Well, there's different. They add up to 120, and that one's already good. So 3 is 120.
Oh, so it's
And then everything passes through that. I don't understand it.
so it's a 480 volt power source.
I don't know what the power source is.
Let's see. The 120 volts across. Oh, which means there's also 120 volts across resistor 1,
Mm-hmm.
which means that you can figure out
Everything from resistor 1.
also 120 volts across 5 and 3. But there's 40 volts across 5. So you know there's 80 volts across 3.
It's vibrating.
That's my printer.
Oh.
I'm gonna. Do you want to see that design?
Ooh.
I sold a couple of these on Facebook
Oh,
to one person. He bought two.
she won.
It's a little pot, a planter.
How big are they?
About as big as that can print.
Just put a little seedling in it.
Yeah, little like herbs or
I feel like I need to upgrade Timothy's.
if you find one on like printables, they'll make it. I mean,
Also still.
and then I made this. I tried my hand at Neuralink, a 3D model. It's a plug.
Should take.
Oh, what? That's not Janford. Oh, no, that's not Janford. Oh, it's Benjamin. I think the same thing.
What's a strength 9 wear suit? You know, I put it on at 11:30. Ooh, I want to go up here and see the.
He stroked my shit
Walk
back
down
to the ass. Not today.
Another package.
I know what it looks like.
I know.
So many boxes.
I know.
Wait,
I'm used to seeing him around these parts.
another pack?
How's your hike? My hike? I didn't go on it. The fuck? Then you didn't show up. Oh. Did you not ask anyone? I knocked on your door at one point. I think it was like later in the day. The one thing I don't know what the fuck was done to your car. You pulled it.
Just driving on the grass.
Oh, fuck. No, you get 2 pairs of jumbo LDS. Just a little combo. Yeah. Completely safe to do, right? I think I have 10 bucks.
Actually, it wouldn't really be that unsafe.
Anyways, if you
But
ever,
it would
you
increase
guys,
your risk of shorting it.
you guys ever want your cars jumped?
If you ever
I
want
won't
to be
come
jumped,
to your back the fuck in. When was that? What do you know? Like 11. Happened something. 11 p.m. No. A.m.
11 in the AM.
I don't know. Your car was here. I get my spot back. Mm-hmm. Let me wait. Mm. Mm-hmm. I don't know about it. No, I didn't. Good. What's there? You dumbass. You had to slide back.
I did. That's how you know.
You're done a lot.
You look like Johnny's fine. You want any butter too? No, that's me.
I never ended up. I know. Good man. Stealing your keys and phone. Not fucking stupid. Stealing your keys with rocks outside.
You have a neck full?
Who was that? No, I'm gonna take one of your keys and steal it and then get a clone of it so I can come in and steal your buttered chicken.
Yeah.
What coming down the bowl? Hey, what are you doing here?
This is the butter chicken.
Well, you can tomorrow.
No. Well, no.
So you're just busy. We're just gonna have to do some winter survival. That'd be fun.
Oh, the door boys, you guys. You want to join me and Ashton spring break trip to Poland?
Oh, you actually know. I'm
As the
down.
joke, we looked,
Why not?
and it's like $700 to get there and come back and like from Minneapolis.
too bad.
No, the whole trip. There back was $700.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, and you sit like this on the plane
Yeah, it
for
was
12
soft.
hours.
You take 2 shots. Yeah. 12 hours. But you go to you could fly into bum fucking with Poland and go explore for a week.
That'd be pretty good.
You're joking.
I can all think of bad trip though. Just sitting
I
there.
was joking that I won't be graduating. Why do we go to Belarus?
You need grad school still?
Yeah, it's good.
It's okay.
It'll be, I'm trying to stay here in Florida. Reaching for it.
Oh, yeah.
It's like, I look and
That's
you know why it's brown again?
who's bigger than
I also, I didn't go to UFC And I was like, you never mentioned this. I never got. I was playing the X. No, I checked my phone. Like I'm like, I haven't actually got to Sunday. Because when I got a new phone they never signed up.
Snapchat's
So I like use it for. There's like 3 weeks of messages where I'm just like, oh shit, they did send me the notes for that class. Hey guys, want to meet up on Discord?
that's one of the
Honestly, kind of peak though on Discord. Because you go, okay, share the files. Send them. Yeah, I'm going to miss the files. Yeah, you can share some files with the screenshots. Really nice. Oh, that's. Or you send an external link to a download. If you can sketch it. You want sketch it. Maybe but it's such an incredible thing. I think it's fun.
Bembler. Did you know Kale is a Bembler?
Yes. Yeah, I send this to my dad. You click on it. Just click on it. Look at the big ass deal.
So why don't they show off the
You were fooled.
It's so fucking stupid.
Shit, and then I sent it to my dad. Okay. He said, "Dude,
Dr. Phil. Dr. Phil trying.
I got fucking reaction image by my dad who's 65.
Dr. Phil trying.
I still send him these photos too.
I showed my dad the Incredible gassy.
Or I didn't even notice. What, you didn't even notice the deer's cock?
I was just looking at that.
I just like I know. Oh look. Yeah, so
With present.
they're so subtle. Maybe send this to you.
Yeah, I remember watching that. This video is actually insane.
Oh wait, I skipped the part.
I can't remember. Did you show this to me, or did I think you sent it.
I did.
A part mid conversation is
He
like,
didn't even miss the step.
I'm not missing a beat now.
And this video just keeps getting longer and longer.
Yeah, what else keeps getting
And
longer?
it goes longer and cuts to him fucking running in a lawnmower. Getting tased. The wild villain or that person. and then he'd be like, "Come on, this shit in my apartment." This is his car.
No, no, no.
I don't know.
Wait, isn't the man on the other side crazy? Yeah. It's like a motorcycle.
That's just a normal mirror. The Lord and the devil had a meeting.
Was that Goon? The Goon for me page? The for Goon page? Big for Goon page.
I sent him photos to that guy. But it's just
Oh my god. That and then just.
that's it.
You're very simple. Reels. When you don't get the incredibly gassy ones.
That's awesome.
I saw them and I showed them.
What the fuck? It doesn't. Ew. bunch of wood? Yes.
Oh my god. It's insane. Baby. Oh, I love Monty so much. What do I repost?
No. Not this.
Yeah, what is it?
He brought out women podcasts.
Yeah, that's who it
And he goes, fuck. Horse denier.
And with that last one, say that?
I don't know if that guy can cook. You be what? You be what? Ibuprofen everywhere. Where is the I love never fight this fucking thing properly. But again, I would know. He's been real right at.
When I'm one day for that, the time,
They'll make a great football player. I feel real like this guy. No. You'll like this one too. Is that vampire work? No, it's he's stripping copper. He's stripping copper. Take from my nails. And he's stripping wires for copper. It's like fine. In Agartha. You get those. Wait, what do you say? Oh, I think that's it. Oh, hurry up. Yeah. Go to order. See? Whoa. This is the kind of stuff I send in. We've done that to the mail. Out of the blue. Ooh. Whoa, wait. Oh, this is the guy much worse.
Oh,
I
yeah.
know. He's very nice.
Like, you're got shit.
Oh. How do you know what that?
What do you mean, how do you let it happen? Someone drives into a building. What are you gonna do? Oh no, stop that!
Don't worry. I did.
How do you let it happen? Come on. I would simply just intervene. Like, all that's gonna go back.
The Soviets were too stupid to boil water in the 80s, so now that we have to
Green Party.
deal with recharge like this forever.
I like that. The abolishing no nuclear power.
You wonder why? Oh,
Oh yes.
oh,
That one is so fucking crazy.
yeah.
Imagine like literally learning just being pissed.
What's this guy doing?
Hamlin.
Gambling.
He's on Kelsey.
You know what you like to see?
I've seen that video. Whoa.
That is fucking crazy. The kid had plan.
I took this to Cody and go, this is what we learned in class today.
I
love
think
that.
I think that one's better than.
Okay, what is your fucking art?
And then it's done away.
Yes.
Wait, that's not actually a woman. That's actually a dude.
Probably. I bet
I actually don't know.
60% it's a guy.
That's a flag. Yeah, fanboy. Literally says that they're bio.
Robinho.
Yeah.
Robinho. That's impressive.
Oh, engineering outfit. This is for you.
The leggings.
That's
Is it just one? Imagine like just nonchalant.
Yeah. He had electrical engineering on here. He wore the exact same outfit.
This is just engineering. That is a strong. Oh, I'm doing like double brain.
Red light district in Pakistan. Oh God. Hey, take a take, even if it has a number.
That's right.
Imposter.
Still the true defense. Oh no. No, man.
We see this.
Is that the Charlie Kirk Forever song?
No.
What? He's bouncing a sword?
It's a ruler.
Oh. What? On the fucking tape measure?
It's not the Charlie Kirk song. This is Linkin
What?
Park.
He had a Charlie. I was thinking. No, not that. Him was showing that Charlie Kirk. Charlie Kirk wasn't even Jewish. He wasn't even Christian. Right? That's true. So AI.
in the edge, like, and that's the hot side, like right there. I think you work to drop in the
I
front.
don't know. That doesn't look. It's too bright. Those videos get me every time.
Don't, what is that thing? Don't go out.
Don't know.
Oh no, I want to see yours. Restart that shit. I want to see them all.
See, that's bad.
Huh.
Okay, we'll see.
When you see these on YouTube, they're always shitty though, but they're terrible.
And they're like that. They're not even like actually made it.
No, they're just
My
family would fucking. Like by Nick Sleepcat.
The skeleton farm.
A wall breaker. Ultimate collector.
Lineman.
Woo!
No way. I'm kind of waiting for this.
Using shit. That was fucked up.
YouTube shorts means double time. I
And
can't
then you
watch
have
that
them.
shit. You're not on YouTube shorts.
You see at TikTok, you can walk double time by doing it. Let me show you.
Fucking
Let me show you the tip.
okay. This is the best edition. I
Let me show
can
you the tip.
consume shit twice as fast. That's good. If you lock it, you should be able to hold it and quadruple your speed. What is it?
I love the I love it.
It's literally if the river can die. Mm-hmm. Oh, you do more.
Oh yeah.
Like that kind of.
Yeah.
Sometimes it waits till the after.
You just put that in the water.
I'm literally no problem. You stole my prompt, bro. Bro, you stole my prompt. I called it thing. Yeah, just don't think it out. Right now. Oh, okay.
I just got back.
Bro's been up since like normal.
I've been up since 9 a.m., but I just got back in my apartment at 9 p.m.
I've been up since 12 a.m. Who'd you tell me about?
Yeah.
This guy? Yes. Oh. That is very,
I was told recently that you can ground, like, instead of using a grounding rod, hook it to a metal sewer line.
yeah.
What did your house burn down?
I mean, you shouldn't do that, but you could
They
ground it.
say that's like the other option.
Well, I mean, it would be.
Yeah. It's
But
like, either
I
this
don't-
or that.
They tell you like that.
Ground to a metal sewer line.
Yeah, I mean, it's just a big metal pipe.
Yeah.
It's like a cast iron, but I mean,
But you have a ground fault though. I'd rather just have like
GFCI.
well pre-grounded.
Yeah.
Oh, definitely have it turned on right now.
It's okay. Well, we don't have. That must be the problem. It's not unsafe. The only one that's not. The only one that's 7. And it's out there. Whoever made this is involved. Well, we would make that easier. Oh, go. That. So this one. And here you do it. And these are the two. Yeah. And then these two must be the same. Oh, we have a light in the.
But the lights here are just you're just running from that switch to this. Yeah, I'm just
Yeah, it's probably connected in that room. What are you doing?
I know.
The more you fondle it, the happier it is. You really can't see it.
You can't. You know, hold that thing till this or get more of it. You know what I'm saying?
And it's still beautiful.
is me ending the stream. Whoopsie.